Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime. For this evening, I'm Daedran. Fireman Capleton to release his first album in almost 2 decades this summer. The 12-track project, which is set for release in June, titled Heights of Fire, marks the singer's first project in 16 years. It follows 2011's Eternal Fire. Earlier today, Capleton rolled out the first track from the project, Red Again.
Fire get red again. Turn it up and make it spread again. Wake them up out of them bed again. Yo, I make it get in and them made again. Why? The fire get red again. And the vampire get big again.
Vybz Kartel to face restrictions when he appears in the Cayman Islands next month for Out of This World Music Fest. According to sources, Premier Andre Ebanks told citizens that the King of Dancehall's permit to perform in Cayman Islands carries restrictions on his movement and lyrics. Answering concerns raised by community members, the Premier said Cabinet's hands had been legally constrained. Ebanks said the minister responsible for border control had subsequently sought Cabinet approval for a restricted entry permit because the performer could have legally entered the country on a tourist permit anyway. He said this approach gave the government flexibility to add conditions. Ebanks said Cabinet was faced with a legal decision, not an editorial one, when making such decisions. He said the executive periodically received requests to review applications on behalf of performers that many of them knew very little about. Now on the international scene, Kehlani dropped self-titled project, her 5th studio album. In a social media post, the Grammy Award-winning singer shared that she is honored to share this 17-track project with fans and hopes everyone enjoys it, lives in it, and loves through it. The project, which was released on Friday as a birthday gift to fans, features appearances from Usher, Cardi B, Lil Wayne, Missy Elliott, Leon Thomas, Big Sean, and others. The release follows a stretch of high-profile appearances, including a surprise moment during Givion's Coachella set earlier this month and a separate performance during the festival weekend. Kehlani's catalog now spans billions of streams and multiple certifications, placing her among the most consistent voices in contemporary R&B. Paramount's takeover of Warner Brothers Discovery passed a hurdle on Thursday. WBD's shareholders approved the deal in a special meeting. It was widely expected because WBD stock was trading at $8 a year ago. Paramount is offering $31 per share. Executives say they believe the merger to be completed by the end of September, but that may be too optimistic, as several state attorney generals and European regulators have signaled they may challenge it. That's it for your weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.